All right, so let me put this in terms you guys can probably understand. If your body is closed, you're not going to get laid, right? You're not going to put yourself out there. You're not going to be reciprocative of anyone's feelings, of anyone's desires, maybe not even your own desires. So if your mind is closed, you are not going to get laid by the universe. Now, I'm going somewhere with this. It's an analogy, it's a metaphor. All right, I don't mean the universe is actually going to float down an angel, land on your lap, and start blowing you. What I mean is that all those things in the universe that would naturally happen and you would naturally be reciprocative of, you're not going to realize, or you're going to shut it down. Your mind has to be open at all times to theories, to ideas, to people, and that's how you grow. Spiritually, mentally, even physically. If you don't lift weights, if you don't push yourself, your muscles are going to stay the same size and never flex. So it's the same thing with your mind. Your brain is a muscle, probably one of the most important muscles in the human body. You've got to be open and you've got to use it. You don't use it, you lose it. That's a motto of mine. I don't know where it came from. I made it up. I'm sure I didn't make it up, but I made it up in my head personally. I'm sure other people have made it up too. So I'm not the first one to make it up, is what I'm saying. But you have to be open. You guys, and you gotta communicate. You know, I'm talking to ChatGPT. It's a smart ass AI. It should be one of the smartest people in the world, right? It has an unbound limit for information and knowledge, but it makes a lot of mistakes. If you don't define what you're saying and put it in a different way, a different perspective, a different point of view, it has no idea what you're talking about. It can reach in and grab out 43,000 pieces of information that you had talked about. Unless you communicate and let it know exactly what it is you're looking for, exactly what it is you're trying to find, it's got too much information that it's trying to pull out at once. So, I don't know. It just came to me. Thought maybe it'd be a little easier to describe and put out there. You know, I'm trying to teach my son this stuff too, so, you know, might as well throw it out there, give a dog bone.